Today it's an introduction to salads, where we are going to start with simple salad preparations. So first of all, what is salads? So salads can be a simple or compound. Salad can also combine a meal, either vegetables, either meat, either starches, but it can be also a course itself. So salad ingredients can be raw or cooked or both. So salad are usually served with the dressing of any different dressing, either vinaigrette dressing, Italian dressing, or mayonnaise, or any dressing. So now let's look at the types of salad. So the types of salad, we have one as a simple salads. It's a one with the it's a salad with the one ingredient or one vegetable with the dressing and the other components. And another type is a mixed salad or compound salads. So now let's start by making simple salads. So here we have a variety of raw material. So we have lettuce, we have tomato, we have cucumber, and we have avocado. So let's start by making tomato salads. So I have to put on gloves, but before we start making tomato salad, I just encourage you to take the notes of every step. So simple salad preparation, it's very simple as its name. So very simple. So I have to put on gloves because I'm handling ready to eat food. So I just want you to take note of this. So every salad should have three components. One, it's a base. Second, it's a body. Third one, it's a garnish or dressing. So you may serve it with a garnish or without. You may serve it with a dressing or without. That's why we just count three components: base, body, and dressing or garnish. So base of salad usually goes with lettuce. I just put lettuce as a base for my tomato salad. Then again, I cut my tomato into shape I want. So you may come up with any style of cuts. Like here, I'm going just to cut tomato wedge. You can use roll cut, you can use Macedon, or any shape of cut, or any style. You see, now I have base, which is lettuce. Second, I have body. The body is the name of the tomato. My tomato salad are organized on the plate. Then the last one, it's a garnish. I may put just olives, black olives, as a garnish. Or I may also put onion ring as a garnish. And my tomato salad, it's already. It's just remaining with the dressing. I can serve it, I can dress it on top, or I can serve it aside. So I can serve with the dressing on top, or I serve dressing aside. So my tomato salad are ready. Now let's move for lettuce salad. Now I'm going to prepare a lettuce salad. So I just check if my lettuce are clean with no insects. I remove a part which is not looking good. So even though it's a lettuce salad, it should also have a base as a lettuce. The base has to be always there. So I may cut my lettuce salad using a knife, or I can just use my hand, do like this. So I prefer this one because it makes your salad more fresh and look fresh. You see, my lettuce salad, it's look fresh. It look fresh than either using the knife. So for the lettuce salad, you can either combine different types of lettuce. Maybe if you combine like hard lettuce with a soft lettuce with a watercress, depending on the type of lettuce you have. So you can have different type of lettuce in one plate. So and you call that dish lettuce salad. But now we are using one type, but it's still lettuce salad. So then after putting my lettuce, maybe I can just have like any garnish. Just simple. Garnish has to be simple. Not something too much, you know. So it has to be simple. A good garnish should be simple. So now my lettuce salad, it's ready. This is a simple salad. Lettuce salad, it's ready. I'm remaining with the dressing. I can serve it aside, or I dress it, or I serve it aside. So now I'm also going to prepare a cucumber salad. Just I have my peeled cucumber, very beautiful one, big in size, you know. So then I cut into two. Then I have to remove seeds inside. Then also my lettuce, my cucumber salad should have lettuce as a base. Then I start cutting so I'm trying to arrange it nicely on my plate. You see? Then you serve your cucumber salad, simple salad. You see? So then I might put a tomato as a garnish. See, something like this. So now already I have my cucumber salad ready. So I can serve it with the dressing aside, or I can dress it. Depends with the customer request. You see? So it has the base, body, and garnish. Those three components. Another simple salad called avocado salad. So avocado salad, it's also a simple salad that needs the components of having three components. One as lettuce as a base, and the avocado and the garnish as well, or dressing. So my avocado salad, so I have to peel it first. Remember, using the scales of removing then I have to clean my avocado. I clean it well. So you may serve it, you may serve your avocado like in a very piece that you don't want to touch it too much, just to make sure that your avocado looks fresh. So you can garnish it with black olives and the green olives as well. So now my avocado salad are ready for service. So I can serve it with the dressings or dressing aside, or without, depending on customer preference. So I can also cut my avocado for salad for another style. And press it like this. We call this avocado fan. It can be also served with any garnish. So this is also a simple salad as the avocado salad. So it can be also served with dressings on top, or you serve dressing aside. So now my simple salad are ready. I have tomato salad, I have lettuce salad, I have cucumber salad, I have avocado salad. Thank you for watching this video of simple salad preparation, and let's catch up for the next lesson, salad dressing. Thank you.